Here is something for us to consider. When we are holding a cord of pain in our body that resonates with the idea of betrayal, it seems to play up in almost everything we do. We find that we are feeling betrayed by either a partner or someone at our work, or it could be a colleague in any kind of situation or place that we play in. Oh my gosh, it comes up everywhere. If you are holding that cord, it's almost like you've got the signal going off. And so you attract to the signal like a moth to a lighthouse. You attract this interaction, which is all about betrayal. And you'll find it being repeated in your life time and time again. And the reason why it is playing up, it's playing up so that you will do the work of release. And that is the greatest gift that we can bring in for our own deep healing, is to release this cord of betrayal. So that is my dearest wish for you, is that you can connect into this pain of betrayal, this cord of betrayal, and you can do the release work. And so I have gorgeous ways for us to do that. If you are resonating this one, it's time. Let it go so you can stop being vigilant and worrying and anxious about who's going to betray you next. That signal alone will draw it towards you. And then again, you will be disappointed in relationships and connections. It's time. So clear it up. Let's do some work together. If you're ready to let it go, and I wish you so much love for this day. Have a happy day, everybody. So much love to you. Take care.